Hello friends, through this video we will talk about PNB MSME loan application process. By following very easy steps, you can submit the MSME loan application online. First, go to Punjab National Bank's corporate website pnbindia.in. This is our home page. After that, click on Online Services in it. Then, you choose the option of a loan. Here you will see all the online approved products by Punjab National Bank. Now, please select MSME Loan New Application. In MSME Loan New Application, you will get three options: MSME General, MSME Mudra, MSME Stand-up. Click on MSME General Loan to submit the application. There are 4 parts to the loan application. Part A, Part B, Part C and Final Submit. Part A, Part B are mandatory, which you must fill. You can choose to skip Part C. To submit the final details, please go to the Final Submit. We will fill Part A here. If you are an existing customer of Punjab National Bank, then select Yes in Part A. And if you are not an existing customer of Punjab National Bank, then please select No. Now you can select your name, date of birth, and in case you have an organization, you can select the date of establishment of that organization instead of date of birth. Select the date of birth or the date of establishment of the organization through the drop-down. Enter your email ID. Enter the correct email ID so that you can receive all future information by email. Mention your telephone number. It is optional. It is mandatory to mention your mobile number. Then, select your gender. Now you have to select your state, district, sub-district, and fill up your full residential address. Select the social category. If you are under minority category, after which select the residential status. Please select resident if you are an Indian citizen and NRI if you are not an Indian citizen. Then, fill the following details: PAN number, GST number, inter-organization Udyam registration number. If you wish to avail MSME benefits, you must register your organization under Udyam scheme. ID proof. Please choose from the 4 available options: passport, voter ID, PAN card, driving license. PAN card, issuing authority. Please fill in the name of the authority who has issued the ID card. For example, PAN card is issued by the Income Tax Department, then mention Income Tax Department here. Date of issue. Enter the date on which your ID proof card was issued. Address proof. You can choose from the many available options: electricity bill, telephone bill, bank account statement, letter from reputed employer, letter from recognized public authority or ration card. And fill up bank account number as a address proof number. And bank name as a issuing authority. Then enter the security key displayed in the picture. Now, click on the Save Part A button. A form box will appear. which shows that MSME part is successfully completed. Please make a note of the generated application number for future reference. After that, click on Part B. Enter the loan amount you are applying for. Enter the complete detail of the branch from where you want to take the loan. After that, click on the Save Part B button. A message box will display to inform you that Part A, Part B of your application has been submitted. You can now go to Part C or skip the step to submit the final application. Part C is about financial information of the applicant. You can directly click on the Save Part C button without filling in any information. Please select the final Submit button, after which your application will be submitted to the branch selected by you. A message box will be displayed on pressing the OK button. Your information will be submitted to the branch. You can see the final submitted application here. Please take a printout of the same by clicking on the Print button. Submit the printout of the application along with all the required documents to your local branch for further processing. In this easy and safe way, you can apply for PNB MSME loan from the comfort of your home.